Hello everyone. Here we are on a Monday, the 5th of October, 2020. It is about 1:30 in the afternoon and we're making a flight around the building project off of George Street today. They made some progress. They have the roof on, so things are changing down there. Temperatures are in the low to mid 60s, a little overcast and a little breezy. Not too bad of a day for drone flying. And the usual applies. Down in the comment section there'll be a link to get you back to a previous video to make any comparisons. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.